Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make instant Palada Payasam. It becomes more tasty when we add caramelized sugar to it. It's very simple and quick recipe. Let's move to the video. In a 4-liter large bottom pan, take 1/4 cup of sugar to caramelize. The color should be turned slightly brown color, not too much brown color, because if it's too much brown in color, we won't get expected taste. Yes, now it has caramelized well. Now first add 500 ml of milk to it. When we add milk, the sugar will solidify. Stir for 2 minutes and mix it well. Then add remaining 500 ml of milk. Total 1 liter of milk has taken. Also add half cup or 100 ml of water. Stir well. Now we can add the palada mix and sugar from the packet and 8 to 10 roasted cashew nuts and kismis. Stir well. For special taste, add 1 teaspoon ghee to it and mix it well. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon. When it starts boiling, make it to low flame and close the lid. Cook for 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 minutes, we can switch off the flame. The payasam has cooked well. Rest it for 30 minutes. It will automatically becomes more thicker. After 30 minutes, we can serve this yummy and delicious palada payasam. If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.